Classic Accessories Colorado XT Inflatable Pontoon Boat Review. What does living a richer life mean? Is it having more money? What about discovering new places? How much money does a new memory cost? Colorado XT Inflatable Pontoon Boat is a great value boat which provides your fishing ready requirement completed. Experiencing new things for the first time again and again needs a companion like a Colorado XT Inflatable Pontoon boats. Whether that's fishing challenge at the office, just fishing with family over the weekend, or you have been wishing to learn something new about fishing, then this is the boat to have. Oars. The oars of this boat are 7-foot loom made of aluminum to avoid rust from attacking the oars with time. The oars are also rugged on the edges to allow firm grip so that they don't slip when wet. The oars come in one pair for maximum balance in high speeds to ensure the stability of the boat. The product also comes with 3 heavy-duty bronze oar locks that are firmly attached to the boat to minimize the swings during rolling and also allow for breaking current with ease. Seat and footrests. The boat is constructed to ensure safety and comfort. The seat and footrest are adjustable to allow a person of any height to fit perfectly. The footrests are made of thick rubber mat with grooves on their surface to allow no slip once the boat gets soaked. To enhance agility and toughness, the seat is firmly attached to the chassis of the boat. The versatile of the chair is designed for people with back and neck issues as it allows turning to the back. Storage capacity. The product has customized 20 side pockets that are removable and can be combined to make a gear bag with an addition of removable baskets on both sides. 2 insulated drink holders are placed at arm's reach to firmly hold the bottles or mugs firmly with minimum spillage. The rear of the boat is made of wire mesh to increase the storage capacity and waterlogging as it allows water to seep through. The battery storage is also at the rear for stability of the boat. Pontoon. The product has 9 inches heavy-duty pontoons that are very resistant to tear and abrasion. Their lengths provide stability when making turns and also act as pressure resistant by absorbing most of the force during impact. They are placed within metal mesh to protect them from debris both in and out of water. The pontoons come with a combination of nozzle valves that allow faster inflating and deflating. The top of the pontoon is made with tough nylon that is both heat and cold resistant. Once the pontoons are inflated, they rise to a height that allows great visibility. At the same time, the base of support is increased for maximum support. Rod holders. The fishing rods can be mounted in 6 different locations on the boat to allow maximum exposure to the fishing ground. No tools of assembly are needed and they are firmly fitted to ensure no fish is lost and help in operating the fishing rod. The rod holders can also be mounted on the oar stands to allow one to steer as well as control the boat. The anchor. The anchor is built to a bike standards to allow safety of the boat. The anchor can be mounted on either side of the boat and at the back. Exiting the boat is easier as one does not have to unclipping the boards as it's fitted with a dual end-sided stripping apron. Safety features. The boat is built to hold a maximum of 400 pounds without topping over. The product is easy to move with since it has a gross weight of 68 pounds. It comes already assembled and has safety labeling standards approved by American Boat and Yacht Council. The tube frame is powder coated, which is environmental friendly and lasts longer. No need to repaint. Pros. Capacity provision. The maximum 400 pounds weight capacity ensures it can accommodate the load and the weight of a person without topping over. Launching the boat can be launched from the beach. There is no need to walk over to sit down. Very portable. Stability and visibility. Heavy-duty pontoon. Cons. The tubes are keep collapsing due to power variation. Installing a motor to work with battery to power the tubes. Stripping baskets. They are too tall and they make paddling harder. Shorter baskets will do perfectly. Conclusion of Colorado XT Inflatable Pontoon Boat. The market is concentrated with inflatable boats for sale, but having an inflatable boat for fishing is a wise investment that could serve you for a foreseeable future. Collect possessions that make you interesting by acquiring this product. For a limited time, you Colorado XT Inflatable Pontoon Boat in your hands in just a few days by clicking the link below in the description area. Subscribe our channel to Inflatable Boats news and reviews. Please don't forget to click the bell icon to notify the latest videos.